Friends, I am Santosh Kumar Singh, your subject teacher of biology. Please stay at home and stay healthy. Today we will start the new chapter, that is how do organisms reproduce. This chapter is divided in two parts: reproduction in plants and reproduction in human beings. So first we understand about the reproduction. What is the reproduction? Reproduction is a process in which any organism produce a new young ones which similar to own selves. It means the reproduction is a process in which any living being produce new young ones which is similar to itself. Reproduction, why it is essential? It is essential to exist the population on the living of the living being on the earth. It means it is essential for the existence of the living being. The reproduction is categorized in two parts, that is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is that process in which only single parent is involved. Therefore, in sexual reproduction, there are two parents are involved. It means one is male parent and second is female parent. As per asexual reproduction, a single parent gives rise to offspring without gamete production of fusion. It means there is no gamete fusion. It involves only mitosis process. As you also know, the division is two type, meiosis and mitosis. There are different types of asexual reproduction is occurs, like fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction, and next one is spore formation. So there are different process occurs under the asexual reproduction. So let's understand about the fission. What is the fission? Fission means any parent organism split or divide into two or more daughter cells. Single parent organism split or divide into two or more daughter cells. It is of two types. Number one, binary fission, and number two, multiple fission. When a single cell is divided in two parts, that is called binary fission. In another way, first the nucleus divide, followed by the division of cytoplasm, producing two identical individual, and this process is known as binary fission. Basically, the word bi means two, fission means division. When a single cell divided in two parts, it is called binary fission. The example of this process, example of the organism, that is amoeba and paramecium, in which this process occurs. Through the diagram we can understand this topic. There is a amoeba in which the protoplasm or cytoplasm with nucleus is divided in two parts, and in last option there is two different cells are produced. It means a single cell produces two new cells, that is called daughter amoebae. What is the multiple fission? When a single cell divides in multiple parts, or the nucleus repeatedly divides, producing same number of offspring simultaneously. It means the nucleus is continue divide in more number of parts and each part produce new organisms. For example, Plasmodium and amoeba. It is the picture of the multiple fission in Plasmodium. In first part there is only single cell and it carries a nucleus. Then its nucleus divided in multiple parts and it surrounds the protoplasm or cytoplasm. Then it covers with the cell membrane and matured into the or form the proper a new cell. Then its cells ruptured out comes out from the mother cell and it grows up. The next process is fragmentation. Any organism breaks into two or more small pieces. It means if we divide any organism into two or more small pieces, that is called fragmentation. Fragment means parts, and this process in which any organism is divided in multiple parts, that is called fragmentation. Like in this picture, the Spirogyra is divided in two parts. So this is the fragmentation process. What is the Spirogyra? Spirogyra comes into the algae. Algae, as you know, the green surface of the pond which looks like green, that is algae. The budding, it is the another process of asexual reproduction. What is the bud? Bud means outgrowth. This outgrowth form which develops as an outgrowth means a bud is formed which develops as an outgrowth and detaches to grow into a new individual. This process is known as budding. Budding is mainly occurs in low category type of living being such as Hydra. In first part, the parent Hydra, and it produces a small outgrowth. This is called bud, growing bud. Then it becomes mature and detached from the basal part, and it become into a new Hydra, and it then mature. This process is called budding. What is the regeneration? There is two words, regeneration. Generation means development. Redevelopment, that is called regeneration. A single segment of an organism can give rise to new individual. If any segment is developed into new individual, that is called regeneration. And the example is Hydra. So today we have started the asexual reproduction. Tomorrow we will also understand this topic under the next parts, that is vegetative reproduction and spore formation. So please stay at home, stay healthy, and do this exercise from the book or the notes.